10 Surprising Health Benefits of Eating Mushrooms Daily. Numerous varieties of mushrooms have special qualities that are advantageous. They include lots of vitamins, minerals, and bioactive substances like beta-glucans, but are low in calories and fat. Amazing nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that have been proven to have health advantages may be found in abundance in mushrooms. They are a rich source of antioxidants, potassium-rich minerals, and fiber, which keeps you feeling full. At the National Institutes of Health website's National Library of Medicine, you can do your own study. Studies and their findings are used to discuss this material here. 20% of the recommended daily requirement for vitamin D and B6 as well as some copper can be found in one serving of mushrooms. They are good providers of selenium, zinc, manganese, and a range of other vitamins and minerals in addition to being excellent sources of fiber. The top 10 health advantages of mushrooms are listed below. 1. They have inflammatory-reducing qualities. Beta-glucans, which are beneficial substances with anti-inflammatory characteristics, are found in mushrooms. The potential of beta-glucans to prevent or treat conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and particularly malignancies has been investigated. Additionally, anti-inflammatory qualities in mushrooms have been discovered to help lessen pain, stiffness, and edema. 2. Their vitamins improve your vision. Beta-carotene, often known as vitamin A, is an antioxidant that lowers the risk of some malignancies and vision issues like macular degeneration. Mushrooms are a wonderful source of this antioxidant. The immune system, the skin, and the health of the eyes all depend on vitamin A. Riboflavin, another vitamin found in mushrooms, is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, metabolism, and neurological function. Additionally, mushrooms are a strong source of vitamin C, a vital antioxidant that lowers the chance of developing some malignancies. 3. Lion's mane mushrooms may lessen or possibly prevent the symptoms of dementia and Alzheimer's. Heracinone, a special substance found in the lion's mane mushrooms, has been demonstrated to have neuroregenerative characteristics and to help prevent dementia and Alzheimer's disease or to lessen its symptoms. Not only that, but the lion's mane mushrooms also enhance immunity, control blood sugar, and reduce inflammation, among other health advantages. They are also excellent suppliers of antioxidants and B vitamins. 4. Weight loss may be aided by mushrooms. A wonderful low-calorie, low-fat substitute for meat is mushrooms. They are low in calories and have a high water content. A half cup of mushrooms contains roughly 3 calories and is made up of 90% water. The high pectin concentration in mushrooms makes them a good source of soluble fiber, which slows down digestion and makes you feel fuller for longer. They are also high in protein and low in fat. And great source of copper, a mineral that aids in fat metabolism, is found in mushrooms. Additionally, copper is a crucial mineral for healthy hair. Consuming foods high in copper, such as mushrooms, helps the skin produce collagen, which is necessary for youthful, luminous skin. 5. They serve as a good fiber source. A healthy diet must have dietary fiber, which is primarily found in mushrooms. Additionally, they have few calories, salt, and fat. Pectin, a form of soluble fiber that has been demonstrated to decrease cholesterol, is a fantastic source of nutrition in them. Both soluble and insoluble fiber, which is included in mushrooms, aids in maintaining a healthy digestive tract and preventing constipation. Reduced risk of diabetes and heart disease are only 2 of the many health advantages of dietary fiber. It can also aid with weight management by prolonging your feeling of fullness. 6. They strengthen your immunity. A form of fiber known as beta-glucan, which has been found to strengthen the immune system, is abundant in mushrooms. Researchers have looked into beta-glucan as a possible cancer and high cholesterol treatment. Additionally, selenium, which is abundant in mushrooms, has been discovered to strengthen the immune system, guard against infections, and increase resistance to colds and the flu. 7. A fantastic source of protein alternative is mushrooms. For those who follow a vegetarian diet or avoid meat for various reasons, mushrooms are an excellent source of protein. 10% of your recommended daily protein intake is found in one serving of mushrooms. The necessary amino acids, which are the protein's building blocks, are abundant in them. In addition to being gluten-free, mushrooms provide a complete amino acid profile that is comparable to that of meat. 8. They are a great source of minerals and vitamins. A significant source of numerous vitamins and minerals that are necessary for optimum health can be found in mushrooms. They are rich in B vitamins, particularly thiamine and riboflavin, which support the neurological system and assist the body in metabolizing carbohydrates. Niacin and pantothenic acid, which are necessary for metabolism and the process of turning fat and other nutrients into energy, are also abundant in these foods. Mushrooms are the only plant that makes vitamin D by absorbing it from the sun, just like human skin does. Mushrooms are also high in vitamin D. The immune system is one of many health benefits of vitamin D. They include a number of essential nutrients for wellness. They contain a lot of selenium, a mineral that promotes immune system health, guards against some malignancies, and delays the onset of old age. Additionally, iron, which helps the body move oxygen throughout and supports healthy brain and muscular function, is found in abundance in mushrooms. They are also a dependable supply of potassium, a necessary mineral that supports the control of the digestive, cardiovascular, and renal systems. 9. They might be able to combat anxiety and despair. The vitamin B6 found in mushrooms is helpful for maintaining healthy brain function. They also include serotonin, a neurotransmitter that aids in controlling mood, hunger, sleep, and mood, as well as tryptophan, an amino acid that is necessary for healthy brain function. Mushrooms are being researched as a potential treatment for mental diseases like anxiety, stress, and depression because they have been proven to have antidepressant qualities. 10. They may be able to combat long-lasting conditions, including cancer and heart disease. According to research, mushrooms can lower the chance of developing some malignancies and offer anti-cancer capabilities. They contain beta-glucans, fiber substances that have been demonstrated to impede the growth of some cancers by obstructing blood flow and cell division. Additionally, selenium, a mineral that has been linked to a lower risk of certain malignancies, including prostate cancer, is abundant in mushrooms. Because they are a strong source of potassium, a mineral that has been found to lower high blood pressure, mushrooms may also help prevent heart disease.